Considering the earth to be a good world, in the early years of Kali Yuga, Devarshi Narada was wandering on the earth, visiting the shrines here. Naradji saw that due to the influence of Kali Yuga, everywhere on earth, people had become liars, quarrelsome, greedy, and their lives were filled with sorrows. Seeing all the pilgrimages, when Naradji reached Vrindavana, he met there Bhakti Devi, the goddess of devotion, and her two sons, Gyan, which means knowledge, and Vairagya, which means disinterest. Due to the influence of Kali Yuga, devotion, knowledge, and disinterest had become old. And after coming to Vrindavan, Bhakti Devi had become young again. But knowledge and disinterest were still old. On the request of Bhakti Devi, Naradji recited the Vedas in the ears of knowledge and disinterest. Then, due to the influence of Vedas, both of them had some power in their bodies. But they were still old. Naradji asked many sages the means to make knowledge and disinterest young again, but he did not get any satisfactory answer from anyone. When no answer was received from anyone, Naradji decided to do penance. Sanakadi sages appeared before him after the penance. The sages named Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan, and Sanat Kumar are older than all creatures of the universe in age, but are like only 5 years old kids in appearance. To make knowledge and disinterest young again, the Sanakadi sages ordered Naradji to recite Bhagavata Purana. On getting permission from the Sanakadi sages, Devarshi Narada got the stage prepared for the recitation of Bhagavat Puran on the Anand Ghat of river Ganga. The news of recitation was spread around the world. Many great sages came to hear the Bhagavat Puran. Many gods also came to hear the sacred Bhagavat Puran, which is the means to get salvation from the cycle of birth and death. In this recitation of Bhagavat Puran, the Sanakadi sages themselves narrated the wonderful pastimes of Lord Krishna to all the sages present. As soon as the story of Bhagavat Puran started, due to the effect of Puran, Bhakti Devi entered everyone's heart, and knowledge and disinterest also became young. In this way, Bhakti, the goddess of devotion, Gyan, which means knowledge, and Vairagya, which means disinterest, had become young again by hearing to the stories of Bhagavat Purana.